Welcome back to another STEMpower at Home video. Today we are going to do an experiment to separate salt and pepper with only a comb. You've probably heard about static electricity before. Just like when you rub a balloon on your hair to create static electricity, there's a little bit of electricity in a comb after you run it through your hair. Static electricity is the buildup of an electrical charge on the surface of an object. This charge is static because it stays in one place and doesn't move along the object. What does this mean? Well, the smallest unit of matter, or in simpler terms, stuff, is called an atom. Every atom has subatomic particles, or smaller parts. There are electrons, which are negatively charged, protons, which have a positive charge, and neutrons, which are neutral and have a charge of 0. When you run through your hair with a comb, and they rub against each other, electrons from your hair are transferred to the comb, making the comb have a negative charge. Now let's see how this negative charge plays a role in our experiment. You will need a dish or plate, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a plastic comb. First, put the salt on the plate. Then add pepper on top and gently shake the dish to mix the salt and pepper. Now run the comb through your hair a few times and hold the comb near the dish. What do you notice about the pepper? You should see that the pepper rises up and jumps to the comb, separating the salt and pepper. Here's a question to get you thinking. Why do you think pepper jumped to the comb but not the salt? Pepper is easily polarized, which means that in every atom, the electrons, or the negative charge, will cluster on one end, and the protons, the positive charge, will cluster on the other. This makes it so that the two ends of the atoms have very different charges. One side has a positive charge, and the other side has a negative charge. When the negatively charged comb is held above the dish, the pepper atoms respond by polarizing very quickly, and the ends of the atoms that are positively charged will be attracted to the comb. Just like with magnets, positive and negative charges are attracted to each other, but objects with the same charge will repel and are not attracted to each other. All of this happens before the salt can begin to polarize, which is why the salt will not rise towards the comb. Also, pepper is much lighter than salt, so it can stick to the comb without falling off, much better than the salt. I hope you enjoyed learning about static electricity and how it even affects salt and pepper. Let us know how your experiment went in the comments. If you want to watch one of our other videos, click here, or click here to subscribe. See you next time, bye!